Ebyona yabigambiriza obu yaba naiguraho oruteerana hara Ankole Western University rukushangwa omuri Kabwoheshema Municipality orukuza kumara esande yona eibesere Ankole Western University Mission Week.
Our soil is very rich. You can grow anything, but people don't want to work because they don't want to work. And the reason is they are suffering from a disease called laziness.
Archbishop Orombi yagaruka yarabara abana b'amashomero na munonga b'amatendekero agahigura bari kuhindura emibiri yabo bakekora eki batari ubwo agumize ngo abana binazi b'emibiri yabo.
Go for chemicals to get a light skin. My daughter, the chaplain here, is already a little lighter. Some people want to be lighter than her. For what reason? Because if you go to that side, you are going to come up with skin cancer.
Can you imagine a university student smoking cigars in the name of being sophisticated or contemporary or all that? And you are smoking, you are choking your lungs with nicotinic acid.
Abebembezi b'itendekero rya Ankole Western University Kabwohe bebembirwe MP Dickson Kateshumbwa basima Archbishop wahumwira habortaya yorwe.
University tujigarize aha foundation yayo umusingi wo gugumire buri mwana wena buri mushomesa orishaha abase kumanya mukama nk'umujunu we.
Weekend naza kuba na conducting preaching kandi nabwe naza kuba nashomesa na mnonga ha mentorship na leadership.
Education neta au Ankole Western University amap tumangu university yitweji light of the world ninga n'umushana gwezi nagwecho kugira abagambi nkaba Archbishop Orombi akija university.
Abakristayo hamwe n'abeje barukurenga igana bajunwa kandi bikiriza Yesu kuba umujunu wabo.
Young people, if you walk according to the word of God, you will be a good student and a successful student. You may not be an A student, but I can promise you, you will never be a failure. No.
Aharwa mukaga 2013 kwezi uko Archbishop wahumwira kwatanise na Bishop wa West Ankole Diocese nibija kwebembera abandi omukwirukangira itendekero rya Ankole Western University okugura students poto omukichayi kya Shema Stadium Kabwohe. Amakuraga gashakwa Michael atwakire.
Then they will succeed.